What's up, guys? Welcome to the new series. This is going to be the Spider Farmer Battle of the Breeders number 2. And I'm excited about this one. This is some strains I really want to run, and I kind of got delayed on a couple of these from the last run. But all 6 of these are going to be awesome, hopefully. All 6 of these are things that I've researched, and I looked around, I read reviews and everything else, and they all look amazing. Except for, I didn't read any reviews on the chicken waffles or the Blu-ray Gary, but they said they were awesome. So obviously, every seed manufacturer is going to say that their seeds are awesome or their plants are awesome, but we'll see how they go. Anyway, but the point is, I'm going to pop all these seeds now. Already got my water and peroxide mixture here ready and labeled. I'm going to do only 4 at a time. These first 4, so I think these 2 are going to be bigger. This run is kind of leaning towards big, vigorous, fast-growing plants. So today is day 22 in my other grow right now. Battle of Breeders Volume 1 is day 22. So I'm trying to figure out when to pop these seeds so that they don't get too big before I can move them over. But I'm hoping this will work day 22. Those are supposed to be 65-day strains over there, even though they're very small and they might go a little long. I think day 22 of flower is a good time to pop seeds for the next run for me. But yeah, like I said, these are all supposed to be big plants, but I think these 2 are going to be the biggest, stretchiest ones of the bunch. So these are going next because I only have 4 shot glasses. So yeah, Exotic Genetics, Blueberry Gary, and Chicken Waffles are going next in the same process. As soon as these seeds get out of these shot glasses, I will do the same thing with these 2. So for now, we'll start with the ones we got here. Raw Genetics. These are in alphabetical order, so if raw is first, they're all pretty low in the alphabetical order. But Raw Genetics Peanut Butter Pie is the first one I'm popping here. It is a cross of stuffed French toast and Georgia pie. I think Georgia pie is the one they cross a lot of stuff with, or something like that. Anyway, it's supposed to be really good. It's supposed to be big, vigorous, solid bud at the end, and I've read good reviews on it. So we're giving this one a shot for them. I've got a few other strains from Raw I want to run, but I'm not sure when I'll get to those. So here's their packaging thing. They got these little disc packages with the sponge and I think it's upside down, this one. Yeah, okay, I'm upside down. All right, there they are. So they're usually underneath the sponge. There's the seeds. We'll pick out one that looks like a winner, like that one right there. Well, I tend to lean towards darker seeds, so I'll take that one. Boom, raw is in. So just take our other seeds here. It comes with 6 in a pack of raw. Raw is like half packs and whole packs, but I've never needed more than 3, so I bought the smallest one I can get from them, which was 6. So there's raw, it is in there. Next on the list is Solfire. They do the same thing. They sell, I think it's sets of 6. Yeah, 6 seeds. This is Barf Breath. It is a cross of Giggle Gas. Oh no, so Don Mega and Giggle Gas. There you go. Yep. It says huge fragrant colas cased in blah 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 blah. So it's supposed to be a big plant as well. Barf Breath. It comes in a similar disc style as Raw did. Trying to open this one in the right direction this time. There these are. 6 of them. They all look very similar. These are all pretty uniform seeds here. So let's grab that one. Boom, Solfire's in there. Put that away. Oops, forgot my little thing here. Make sure I find. That's the problem with buying a lot of strains for me is I only use 1 seed of these strains. So if I buy 6 in a pack, I got 5 left over. And I don't really go outside and talk to people like that about weeds. So I've got a lot of seeds, and I need to find people local. I need to find some homies local who got some good stuff like Copycat or Copycat or Bee Leaf, and then I can maybe make some trades. And here is the next one on the list: Caramel Zkittles, however you pronounce that. That's a cross between Zkittles S1 and Gushmints, and these are by ZP Strange, who is a YouTube guy, and I've been watching his channel for a while, and everything he's growing there looks pretty amazing. So I reached out and asked him which ones I should run of his, and he said these would be the ticket. So here they are. And those look very uniform as well. There's no, you don't see any crappy little white seeds or anything like that in any of these packs so far, so that's good. So there's ZP Caramel Skittles. But yeah, I don't know. I don't want to talk too much trash about Umami Seed Co. from last round. But they have these little white dinky ass little seeds. I mean, I got them to pop. And the bathhouse is actually looking amazing over there right now, but not happy with the way the seeds were. Very weak. But yeah, so there's those three. Caramel Skittles from ZP Strains. I'm excited about that one. And the last one is Red Rum Cross Pressure from ZP Strains. There's those, and he gave me a lot of those. So, those look fairly uniform as well. Nice dark seeds. I think I'll take that one right there. It's a pretty decent looking seed. Boop, got some tiger stripes on it. And there we go. We got the first 4 seeds in the water. Raw Genetics, Peanut Butter Pie, Solfire Barf Breath, Caramel Skittles from ZP Strains, and Red Rum Pressure from ZP Strains. Like I said, I'm really excited about this run. Can't wait to get these all done. I might as well open these now too. The Blueberry Gary, we'll take a look what they got in here, how they come. I'm assuming these come a lot like Solfires. I think those guys are buddies. This thing is a pain to open. There we go. So there's that one. Open up. Yep, same thing. And I've already got some other ones that just came in the disc without the box. But Blueberry Gary. Looks very good seeds here. All nice size and color and everything. So they're looking solid as well. And I'll look at the last one over here, which is Humboldt. You can actually see that through the package. I don't really want to open that package yet, but those look like some big, fat, uniform, nice seeds as well. So either way, that's all 6 of those. The first 4 have been popped, and can't wait for this run to get going. Can't wait to get these all in the veg tent cranking, and I'm curious to see how big and fast they're going to grow, because that is kind of what is expected of these seeds in this run. But yeah, excited to get them going, and can't wait to get to the next run. I'm always in the middle of my when I get to flower of my run that's currently going, when I get to, you know, a decent amount of flower, which right now I'm on week 4 of flower, and those things are kind of small. They're kind of look like they're going to be a really weak yield. The buds are very small, underdeveloped at this point for week 4, in my opinion. I get antsy about starting seeds for the next run. Like, I feel like maybe I didn't start those seeds for the last run soon enough, which I'm pretty sure I did. They're just smaller strains. Hopefully I'm not starting these too soon, because these are the big stretchy strains. But either way, I'm excited. Can't wait. I'll be back in a few days. Once I've got all these 6 strains in the little seedling dome, I'll be back then to check on my progress. Do a little update.